In the ancient times, long after the Great Flood, people began to settle in the land of Shinar. It was a time of great unity, as everyone spoke the same language and could easily understand one another. Life was bustling, and the people were filled with ambition and a desire to make a mark on the world. One day, a group of these settlers came up with a bold idea. "Let us build ourselves a city," they said, "with a tower that reaches to the heavens, so that we may make a name for ourselves and not be scattered over the face of the whole earth." The idea quickly gained support, and soon, everyone was excited about this grand project. Construction began in earnest. The people used bricks instead of stone and tar for mortar. They worked tirelessly day and night, their eyes set on their towering ambition. As the tower grew taller and taller, so did their pride. They believed that nothing was impossible for them. Up in the heavens, God watched the people's progress. He saw the unity and determination, but he also saw the pride and ambition that had taken root in their hearts. God knew that this pride would lead them astray, so he decided to intervene. One morning, as the people went about their work, something strange happened. They found that they could no longer understand each other. Their common language had been confused, and now they spoke in different tongues. The construction site, once filled with the sounds of harmony, was now a place of chaos and frustration. Unable to communicate and work together, the people had no choice but to abandon their great project. The mighty tower, which was meant to touch the heavens, stood unfinished, a testament to human pride and ambition. The people scattered across the earth, each group taking their own language and culture with them. The Tower of Babel remains a powerful lesson to this day. It reminds us that while unity and ambition are important, they must be tempered with humility and respect for the divine. For when pride takes over, it leads to division and downfall. And so, the story of the Tower of Babel has been passed down through generations, a story of unity, ambition, and the humbling power of God. May we always remember to build our dreams with humility and respect for the world around us.